ASC-AP software tutorials. How to set up creasing and bridge cutting in CameraCut Pro for the ASC-350D. The ASC-350D is equipped with two carriage tools, enabling users to handle a variety of applications, including cutting, creasing, and perforation. This video will guide you through the setup process for bridge cutting and creasing in CameraCut Pro software. Create or import your artwork in CameraCut Pro. Use different colors for the cutting and creasing lines. Select the artwork and click the cut icon. Set up creasing. Enable automatic configuration, then select red line indentation left tool in the send to cutter window. Set up bridge cutting. Select the dashed line cutting tab, enable dashed line cutting, configure bridge parameters in the send to cutter window. Load the material onto the ASC-350D. Click Send in the Send to Cutter window. The workflow is complete.